Good morning. Where are we going?
To Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
On the
MG
way
ka.
to the airport.
Trophy din yun.
We're going to Hong Kong.
Where are we going, Kai?
In the Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
On the way to Hong Kong.
Bawal dyan, hala. Stay dito lang, dito lang. Here, oh. Psst, dito. Here lang, here.
Hi, Ate.
Let's go back to mama na. Careful, oh, stop. Right. Stop. Go. Kai. Say hi to the camera. Hi guys, pila kami ngayon dito sa priority lane. I-check in namin. Free ang check-in ng stroller. Pasok siya sa mga bagahe sa airport. Yan, yung pila compare doon. Marami dito, priority lane. Okay, flying earlier. Kasi dito kasama si nanay and tatay. Kaunting pila lang yan.
Yeah,
Where are you going?
to the airport.
Yeah, jump many times. Fast. Oh, ang galing oh. Ano yung smile mo kay Mickey Mouse? Yeah. Next line is the immigration. May pila.
Go.
What the airplane doing? The airplane is taking picture.
Yeah.
Let's take a picture. I'm here. Let's take a picture. I'm here. Let's take a picture.
Habang naghihintay sa boarding time, dito muna siya sa ano, Free lunch. Need lang namin i-present ang boarding pass ni Kai at ni Mama. Yan, sila ni ate.
Mangyari ko lamang na lumapit sa gate 108. Maraming salamat.
Hintay niyo si ate.
We are calling the attention of the outgoing guests on Cebu Pacific Airline 5J014 bound for Dubai.
Kai, say hi.
Outgoing guest Ms. Rosalie Mato Garoy. Until managed gate. For Dubai, passenger Mr. Michael Wiesel. Once again, Mr. Michael Wiesel, if you are around, can we approach boarding gate 108? Attention.
Dito kami waiting for our boarding.
Airplane! Look, Mama, I see that's airplane.
No pushing na. Say thank you.
Fall in line.
Let's fall in line.
Going to ride the airplane.
Ipagbigay alam sa inyong cabin crew sa mga sandaling ito.
Hi.
Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is being refueled. As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt and put your seat back upright. Use of electronic devices such as laptops, mobile phones, tablets, and any spark-producing equipment.
Are you happy?
Mama, we're going to hide from the clouds.
Welcome aboard Cebu Pacific.
Sino yan?
Fly to more fun.
Siri.
Is that Siri?
Cebu Pacific.
Sa Cebu Pacific, lipad bilang 5J112 papuntang Hong Kong at mga panauhin po lamang na papuntang Hong Kong ang dapat na nakasakay. Maraming salamat.
No boys on the front, Mama.
No boys.
Look, no boys on the front. Look,
Fasten your
boys in the
seatbelt,
back.
sabi.
Fasten your seatbelt daw.
Mama, go.
I'll hold your hand, please. Bye-bye! Where are you, Kai? Where are you?
I'm here.
In airport. We are at Hong Kong. We are in Hong Kong. Feeling ko yan yung ngongping.
Table.
Oo. Welcome. International. Saan? Yeah, we will get it. Come on. Hold my hand, please. Kai, you need to hold my hand, please. Babe, ilagay mo dun, oh. Babe, ito, oh. Okay ka na dyan? Sige. Dito tayo, Kai. Ay, saan ba? CR. Ayaw magpahawak ng baby. We're going to the CR. Yeah. So, yung stroller ni Kai, naka-check-in. Pero meron sila ditong ganito. Hi! Stroller na ganyan. So, ayan. We're here in Hong Kong. Meron ganito. Look at. What? Humps? Ano yan? Now going to the immigration. Hi, babe. Hi, Kai. There's a dinosaur luggage. And silang shower dito sa airport.
Let's walk.
Not allowed.
Bye, guys.
We will ride the train going to the immigration. So next train is in 2 minutes. For the train.
Where's the baggage reclaim area?
I don't know.
We need to ride the train.
The train is approaching. There it is. Come on. First time to ride the train. First time mong mag-ride ng train. go.
请勿靠近车辆或请沿
Oh, you will not sit. You will just hold this one. Hold ka lang dyan.
handrail during the whole journey.
请勿靠近车门，并且沿途紧握扶手。
Look outside. Oh, ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Wow. Oo, oo.
Please hold the handrail during the whole journey. 请沿途紧握扶手。 列車即將到達中港站，請所有乘客落車。多謝。
Fast. Very fast. New train, no? Very fast.
All passengers, please alight here. Thank you for traveling with us.
列车即将到达终点站，请所有乘客下车。谢谢。列車已到達。多謝。
This is the terminus. All passengers, please alight here. Thank you for traveling with us.
列车已到达终点站，请所有。
So, visitors, dito kami. Ayan, punta na kami dito sa... Oh, it's holding na ano. Punta na kami dito sa immigration.
Mama, I want to put luggage on the aisle.
Not allowed.
This, Mama. That.
What's that? Turtle and... So, nakalagpas na kami sa immigration. So, we're now gonna claim our stroller over there, I think. Let's go!
Go here, Mama.
We will buy octopus card for you. So, we're now going to our hotel. Wait lang, Kai. There's so many people. So, we're gonna ride the bus. Dito tayo sa kanan. Yun, bus. So, kanan kami. Nakakuha na kami ng... Babe! Nakakuha na kami ng tickets. Going to... We're gonna ride the bus. Medyo nagtagal kami dito sa airport kasi figure out namin kung paano gamitin yung SIM card. So medyo matagal namin siyang na-figure out. But we're now okay and we're heading to the bus station. Who is that? A21. Dito kami. A21. Magkano? We're going to the bus.
Pedestrian. Ah, nasa kabila lang. (8:21) dito kami. Papuntang Hum Station. Ayun.
Nilepag mo na ata yung...
N36 pa kami.
8:21. So we're just gonna wait for the bus. Snap. 8:21.
Hello, excuse me, I'm gonna fold it. Don't touch it. Touch this.
Ayan na yung bus namin. We're riding the bus. We're riding the bus. So we're at our hotel. Finally! Finally, after so many questionable actions, we're here. Dito sa hotel namin, merong ganitong space. Ayan. Tapos, meron silang pa-free water. So, nilalagyan na lang namin yung tumbler na.
Sakit.
Ay, video. Namin for the night. Except na lang kami kasi isang kapunta kami. So, we bought braised pork
This one, Mama.
water. Baka ba? Sorry, babe. So, we have... So, yung food namin is braised pork belly with rice and plant-based beef bulgogi fried rice. Inopen.
Race Ford.
Wait lang. Tapos, meron siyang rice sa ilalim. Ganun. So, ako, hindi ko na siya ihahalo. Halo ko ba? Wag na. Halo ko ba? Wag na? Wag na kasi baka ayaw nila. Tapos, itong quinoa, plant-based. Wow! Konti.
Konti.
Ng konti. Pero ang sarap ng rice. So, we're going to eat.
Wala tayong electric pan. May remote electric pan dito. Malakas na na.
Haluin na lang natin.
Kain na kami.
Punta kami sa 7-Eleven kasi bibili kami ng
Go! Guys, habang bumibili ng mango or banana si mama doon sa 7-Eleven. Tayo muna kami. Baka magpabili na naman ng ganito ang baby. What are you riding? Is that a truck? Niya's car pala yun. Ano? Guys, tingnan natin yung mga scaffolding nila dito. Kawayan. Hindi bakal hanggang dun. Taas. Ayan. Yung pang ano dito, parang Pegasus, no? Ayan. May mga banda. Run fast. Want in the horse? Are you moving? Tingnan natin tong map. Brake. Bulag. Itong park lang. Iniwan ko muna dito yung namin. Kotse namin. Nirenta namin para sa Disneyland muna. Disneyland bukas. Ayan. Bili lang kami ng hanap kami ng pagkain ni Kai. Ito pa, BMW. Ito, jeep. Bukas sa Makalawa ko. Gagamitin niya. Dumpling, siomai. Ilang pa oh. Siomai man. Punta kami sa store, wala pa rin mga fruits. Tinuro kami kung saan, dun daw, supermarket. Welcome. Ang name. Welcome. Ito. Parang gulaman na herbal tea. Alak. Ayun, welcome. Sana bukas. Sabaw. Nilagang paniki. Ito, nakakatakot itong hotel na to. Mga eskinita. Ito yung mga taxi sa kanila. Luma, pero good performance pa. Ito, welcome. Ayun, parang may fruits. Ayun, ang dami. May ano ba to? Suha. May dragon fruit to. Anong kabuti mo? Mushroom mo. Ay, ilaw pa yung dito. Ilaw na kaya yan. Oh, nakakita ang baby oh.
Who's that, Mama? Who's that?
Who's that? I come here, come, baby.
I get hard.
Tao, buns. Red bean bun. Black sesame bun. May underground pa pala to. Bikat. Ask mom. Nasabi ni Potato Chips. Harap sa camera. May food pa sa oh. Bibig. 18, dalawa na. $18. Ayan, nakabili na kami. Saging. $16. Tatlo. Pinas, magkano yun? 70. Ito mag-compute, sabi ni for the vlog nga lang eh. I-check natin kung nandiyan pa yung Lamborghini natin. Check natin baka. Audi daw ni EJ oh. Audi. Pinanggagrab lang. Audi. Going back na kami.
Going back to the hotel. Pero mag-picture pa siya dito. Noah. Mag-picture pa siya dito sa corner.
Ayan na yung Lamborghini. Nasa. Stop. Yeah. Bye.
Okay, let's go to our hotel room and let's give them a hotel tour. Kunin mo dito yung wallet. Maliit lang yung room namin, pero at least comfortable siya. Come here.
Oh, grabe.
So, pagpasok mo, ayun na kagad.
Galang gagamba.
Bedroom na kagad. Ay, yung bed na kagad. Tapos, merong ganyan. And then, TV. And then, CR. Come to, ano naman? Enough space naman yung CR. Ayan. And then,
Lower, oh.
ayun, meron naman kaming aircon. So, malamig na malamig dito sa room namin. So, that's it! Bye!
Yung ano, ganun mo yung camera. Here,
Touch the camera.
Touch the camera.
Nanay! Hi, Nanay! Welcome to the Hong Kong Hotel!